Hello, my name is Styliani Pampoukidou and I'm a master's student at Interactive Technologies of the Department of Informatics in Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. In this study, we examine the test-retest reliability of the open card sorting method. Card sorting is the most widely used method for the design or evaluation of information architectures. During an open card sort of a website domain, participants group the provided cards into their own categories and provide a label for each category they create. Popular aspects of the method's reliability, such as the consistency of results obtained from the same users across time, known as test-retest reliability, have not been addressed. This study's goal was to investigate whether open card sorting creates consistent content groupings when repeated twice involving the same participants. A within-subject study was conducted to compare the obtained results between two trials of card sorting. Cards from three general-purpose website domains were chosen: an e-shop, a travel and tourism, and a university website. 16 participants sorted each website domain twice at a time interval of 15 to 20 days. U-sort was used to facilitate the card sorts. Card sort data analysis led to two proposed information architectures per domain. At first, we found the most used labels based on cards X labels analysis. Then, we used factor analysis to find the statistically optimal number of clusters. We used EasyCalc to employ average linkage hierarchical clustering to our card sort data and produced dendrograms. Each dendrogram was cut at the point in which the statistically optimal number of groups appeared, and then an appropriate label from the ones produced in the exploratory analysis was elected for each group. The test-retest reliability of the open card sorting method was examined with two different types of comparisons: comparison of the raw open card sort data and comparison of the navigation structures produced by performing state-of-the-art analysis of the open card sort data. A Mann-Whitney test showed that the number of groups created by the participants did not differ significantly between the two card sorts for all three website domains. Then, we used the minimum ended distance metric to objectively compare users' groupings between the two card sort trials. This metric measures the distance between two sorts and is equal to the minimum number of cards that must be moved in order to turn the one sort into the other. The ended distance of sorts was small for all three website domains. Card sort data are typically summarized as a cards x cards distance matrix. Each cell value in this matrix measures the dissimilarity between two cards and ranges from 0 to 1. We used the Mandel test to check the null hypothesis that the distance matrices produced by the same users involved in the two card sort trials are not correlated. Mandel tests found a significant and very strong correlation between the two distance matrices of each website domain. Finally, we compared the labels produced by the participants in the two card sort trials. To this end, we classified the labels as identical or differed only in grammar, synonyms, superset subsets, and different. In sum, label similarity between the two card sort trials was 85% for the e-shop, 81% for the travel and tourism website, and 85% for the university website. For the navigation structures comparison, we again used the edit distance to objectively compare the two proposed structures per domain. The navigation structures produced by performing state-of-the-art analysis of the card sort data were highly similar, at least 86%. This means that only 1 to 4 cards had to be moved in order to have two identical structures per domain. In conclusion, this study found that the two card sort trials performed by the same participants at a time interval of 15 to 20 days were very similar to each other. The latter tends to support that the open card sorting method has high test-retest reliability. Future directions of this research are to investigate the test-retest reliability of open card sorts with a rather large number of cards or for specialized topics, as well as the effect of participants' personality traits on the method's effectiveness to produce usable information architectures. This study was conducted in the context of my bachelor thesis, supervised by Professor Christos Katsanos.